Hello, this is John Smallwood and welcome to Navigating the Client Portal. Today we're going to be focusing in on the risk score of the client portal and understanding what that means. If you haven't taken the risk profile score or questionnaire yet, you can request to take one and update. That's very, very important part of understanding what you have. So I think what's really interesting is when you come in to the portfolio, you see your overview. In this particular strategy, we're seeing, if we just take the asset category for a second, we're going to see that it's broken down between, in this particular case, $1.5 million of equities and about $706,000 in cash, which by the look of the chart, it's broken down equities and cash, and that's going to have a specific risk class to it, okay? So what's interesting is when you come over to the tools section, the risk section of the portfolio, the risk profile, represents the makeup of those holdings in the historical performance going back to January 2008, not so much from the performance standpoint, but the probability that if the markets were to dramatically downturn, a 55 risk score could experience, in this particular strategy, about 11% downside, or about 243,000. The higher the risk score, for example, the S&P has approximately a 75 risk score, all the way up to 99 to 100. The higher the risk score, the wider this variation between the top and the bottom is going to be. One of the keys, I think, is understanding what is your risk score and how do the holdings that you have, are they consistent with what's going on in your plan? So, if something very negative happened in the markets, we might experience, now probability is probability, we might experience an 11% downside or see the accounts down at 1.9 million, or in real terms see a $240,000 market downturn in the accounts, which historically that has been temporary, depending upon what you own. And so understanding what you own is a really important spot. Again, if the market moves, nicely up, we might experience almost a 19% upside with a $2.6 million account balance. Most people like the right side of this chart. Most people do not like the left side of the chart. But what I urge you to do is to take if you haven't taken the risk score, you can go to the website and request to take the risk score. And this is something that I believe should be, we should go into depth with, but this is a tool that we want to make sure that you're aware of what the risk is at all times in your financial plan. Look forward to talking to you soon. Again, if you want to make an appointment, you can click to schedule the appointment. You can schedule an appointment by clicking this, and we're probably going to put the risk score on the website as well. So if you haven't taken a risk score and you want to take a risk score, you can take it right there. Again, have a wonderful day. And if you want to call us 732-542-1565. If you want to get together, schedule the appointment. We can schedule on the phone. You can do it online. Understanding the risk score, really important of what you own. And there's a way for us to do it globally on everything that you own, everywhere in your 401k, et cetera, all over the place. So give us a call. We look forward to working with you.